Welcome back to the deep dive. Ever walk into, say, a busy restaurant or a big office building and just take it for granted? All the hidden stuff that makes it work. Today, we're looking at something like that. Super important, but mostly invisible, commercial plumbing.
That's right. We're talking about all the pipes, the water systems, the drains, everything that keeps businesses, up and running safely too. And our mission today, really get into what commercial plumbing is, why it's so vital, and how local experts make a massive difference.
Yeah, and we've got some really good points here from a guide about commercial plumbing services in West End, Vancouver. It's on the Pacific Blue Mechanical website. Should give us a great way to understand why this stuff matters to you when you're out and about. So, okay, commercial plumbing, is it just like the plumbing in our homes, but, bigger? Or is there more to it?
Oh, it's way more than just scale. It's really a whole different beast.
Yeah.
Think about the demands. Much higher usage, for starters.
Yeah.
But also specialized things like systems to keep hot water constantly moving in big buildings.
Right.
Or think about restaurants, they need specific grease traps, and keeping those clean is critical. It's not just flushing toilets. You've got complex water temperatures to manage, different kinds of waste, maybe even lines for fire sprinklers, gas lines. And the rules, the regulations are much stricter.
Wow. Okay, that sounds complicated, like keeping a lot of plates spinning, making sure the water pressure and flow is right everywhere. And I guess these systems need looking after before things go wrong, right? Not just fixing leaks when they happen.
Exactly. Proactive is key. And that brings up a common issue, how people think about the cost.
Right.
Sometimes businesses see maintenance as just, an expense line, but it's really an investment. Take that restaurant example again, maybe one right in the West End. If their grease trap gets blocked, that's not just messy.
No, that could shut them down.
Totally. Huge loss of money, maybe even fines or health code problems. So having local plumbers, guys who know the West End, that's invaluable.
Okay, so it's not just that they can get there faster because they're nearby.
That helps, sure, but it's more the deep knowledge, the context.
What kind of local knowledge makes such a difference, especially at a busy, kind of built-up area like Vancouver's West End?
Well, for one thing, they know the specific city codes, the bylaws right there in the West End. Sometimes those change even street to street. And lots of buildings there aren't brand new, right? So you've got challenges putting modern, efficient plumbing into older structures. Sometimes the existing pipes are, a maze.
I can imagine.
Yeah. And local experts know about the local water conditions, even how Vancouver's weather affects things. It helps them choose the right materials. Maybe they recommend PEX piping instead of older copper because it lasts longer here, less likely to corrode or leak.
Okay, that makes sense.
That kind of inside knowledge means the fixes work better, last longer, and keep the business out of trouble with inspectors. Avoids expensive mistakes.
So that local insight really helps businesses keep running smoothly and saves them money. Makes perfect sense. But what about being proactive? Like actually upgrading the plumbing, not just fixing it? What's in it for a business owner in the West End?
Oh, huge benefits to upgrading. Replacing old pipes, old fixtures. It's a really smart move. First off, you save a lot of water. That means lower utility bills, straight up. Think new low-flow toilets, efficient faucets, better hot water systems. They use way less.
Good for the budget, good for the planet.
Exactly. And it's safer too. New systems meet all the latest codes, less risk of leaks, bursts, or even water contamination issues. So better reliability, fewer unexpected shutdowns, and a smaller environmental footprint. It all adds up.
Wow. It's really clear that commercial plumbing is, it's way more than just pipes, isn't it? It's like this hidden framework keeping our cities going, a complex job needing special skills and constant attention.
Absolutely. And we've seen how crucial local experts are, especially in unique spots like West End, Vancouver. They bring that understanding of the specific rules, the building quirks, the local environment. It means solutions that really last, save money, and keep everyone safe and compliant. Upgrading isn't just patching things up, it's investing in a smoother, safer, greener business.
And remember, all this great info came from that guide, Commercial Plumbing Services in West End, Vancouver, over on the Pacific Blue Mechanical website. So next time you're grabbing coffee, eating out, or working in a big building, maybe just take a second. Think about that complex plumbing system working away, hidden from view. Makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other essential, unseen systems are humming away all around us?